How to sign up for TripIt. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can sign up for TripIt. The first step is to ensure that you have the application installed on your mobile device and then go ahead to launch the application. So by launching the application, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. Not really the home page, the page that will ask you to create an account or sign in, which is the signing in page. Then click on create an account. Since you don't have an account yet, then select your Google Chrome or any web browser that you have installed on your device. And then the next step will be to enter in the email address that you would like to use, then enter in your password as well. Ensure it's something strong and what you can remember, and then enter in your home city. All right, and then go ahead and select check the box which says that you accept the user agreement and privacy policy and click on create an account, or you can decide to create an account with any of the options displayed below. Whichever one is fine. So by clicking on create an account, the TripIt page would load and then you'll be redirected back to the application. So you just wait patiently for it to load, and then a verification link will be sent to your email. So you can just click on go to inbox and you'll be taken to your inbox page. Reload the page carefully. All right, okay, head over to the email address itself and then you see the email. Select the email and then select the verify email option on the email, and then your account will be activated. While all of this is going on, just wait patiently for it to load. All right, once that's loaded, you can see the welcome address which says welcome aboard, and then you would have to personalize your traffic experience. So enter in your first name, all right, as well as your last name. Note that this is just an example, okay? For me, this is just an example, and then you can go ahead and select a date. All right, just go ahead and select a date of birth and select the month and day and click OK and then click on submit. All right, just click on submit and then automatically your TripIt account has been created. So if you want to turn on your inbox sync, click on that and your inbox will be synced, and then you can now go ahead, move to the bottom part of the screen and you can see alert. You can see the pro icon if you want to subscribe to TripIt Pro. You can see the unfiled and you can see your account page as well. So this is it. All right, this is how you can sign up for TripIt. So go ahead and try it out easily today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.